Morning students. Today we discuss about Boolean logic. Have you ever wondered how a computer can do something like balancing a checkbook or playing a chess? These are the things which are just a few decades ago only humans can do. But now computers do them with much ease. How can a chip made up of a silicon and a wires do something that seems like it requires human thoughts? If you know if you want to know the answer of these questions, the first thing you need to understand is Boolean logic. Boolean logic was developed by George Boole in the mid 18 who figured out a way to put formal logic into mathematical form. Boolean logic is a very easy way to figure out the truth of an expression using the simple concept of true or false. Consider an example. Should I go to a restaurant or not? Should I purchase a new mobile or not? All these statements have only one answer, either in the form of yes or no. Thus, a binary decision always results in either yes or no, or true or false. Likewise, a switch has only two states, open or closed. An open switch represents binary 0 and a closed switch represents binary 1. So what does a computer understand? Computer do not understand natural language or a programming language. They only understand the language of a bits. A bit is the most basic unit in a computer machine language. All instructions which the computer executes and the data which is processed by a computer is made up of a group of bits. Bits are represented in many forms either through electrical voltage, current pulses, or by the state of an electronic flip-flop circuit in the form of a 0 or 1. As you know, 1 bit is equals to either 0 or 1 and 8 bits equals to 1 byte. These are the measuring units of our memory. So what is Boolean logic? Because of computer understand machine language either 0 or 1, which is a binary value, so every operation is done with the help of these binary values by the computer. George Boole, Boolean logic is it was, as I told you earlier, developed by George Boole. And Boolean logic is a form of algebra in which all values are reduced to either 1 or 0. To understand Boolean logic properly, we have to understand Boolean logic rules, truth tables, and logic gates. Boolean logic rules. A Boolean algebra is the mathematics we use to analyze digital circuits and gates. We can use these laws of Boolean to both reduce and simplify a complex Boolean expression in an attempt to reduce the number of logic gates required. Boolean expression A equals to 1 equals to 1, annulment. A plus 0 equals to A, and the Boolean rule is identity. A dot 1 equals to A is also an identity rule. A dot 0 equals to 0 is an annulment rule. A plus A equals to A is an idempotent rule. A dot A equals to A is also an idempotent rule. Not A equals to A, double negation. A plus A equals to 1, complement. A dot A equals to 0 is also a complement. A plus B equals to B plus A is commutative rule. A dot B equals to B dot A is also a commutative rule. A plus B equals to A dot B is the De Morgan's theorem. Same, A dot B equals to A plus B is also a De Morgan's theorem. Now Boolean expression, a meaningful combination of Boolean operators like and, or, not. Or we can say that a Boolean expression is a logical statement that is either true or false. A Boolean expression can consist of Boolean data such as the following: Boolean values, yes or no, and on or off, or true or false. Boolean variables or formulas, functions that yield Boolean results. Boolean values calculated by comparison operators. For example, if x comma y comma z equals to x bar y bar z bar plus x y bar z plus x y z bar plus x y z. These are the Boolean expressions. Now truth table. A truth table is a mathematical table used in logic. It is used for the representation of Boolean function or a expression containing all possible combinations of input values and their result in a tabular format. If the result of a logical expression or a logical statement is always true or 1, it is known as tautology. And if the result is always false or 0, it is known as fallacy. The number of rows in a truth table is calculated as 2 raised to the power n, where n is the total number of Boolean variables. If A is true, B is true, then A and B means true, if both the conditions are true. And A और B में either A is true or B is true, तो हमारा true आ जाएगा. Not A and B means inverse, opposite of true, false. Now logic gates. A gate is a circuit which takes one or more inputs and generates an output. Logic gate is an idealized or a physical device implementing a Boolean function. These are used to construct logic circuits. First is an AND gate. The AND gate output is at logic 1 when and only when all the inputs are at logic 1. Otherwise the output is at logic 0. Then OR gate. The OR gate is at logic 1 when one or more of its inputs are at logic 1. If all the inputs are at logic 0, the output is at logic 0. X equals to A plus B is an OR gate. OR gate as its name from the gets its name from the fact that it behaves like a inclusive OR. The output is true if either or both of the inputs are true. If both inputs are false, then the output is also false. OR gate works on 2 or more inputs, which results in a single output. Then we have a NOR gate, OR gate. OR gate हो गया नहीं, NOT gate. A NOT gate is sometimes like a inverter gate or a inverse. The NOT gate output is at logic 0 when its only input is at logic 1, and at logic 1 when its only input is at logic 0. For this reason it is also called an inverter, means opposite है. अगर आप 0 ले रहे हो तो आउटपुट आपको 1 मिलेगा, 1 ले रहे हो तो आउटपुट आपको 0 आएगा. Then we have a NAND gate. NAND gate operates on an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It acts in the manner of logical operator AND followed by negation. Means अगर AND और NOT का combination है ये, अगर आपका आंसर true आ रहा है तो it convert negate it means give you false. Then we have a NOR gate. NOR gate output is at logic 0. अच्छा, NOR gate is a combination of OR and NOT gate, and if its output is true if both the inputs are false, otherwise the output is false. Then we have a XOR gate. XOR gate act in the same way as the logical either or. The output is true if either but not both of the inputs are true. The output is false if both the inputs are false. If both the inputs are true, or means output is false if both the inputs are false or if both the inputs are true. Then we have XNOR. XNOR gate output is at logic 0 when one and only one of its input is at logic 1. Otherwise the output is at logic 1. Now logic circuit. How you will construct a truth table for following circuit of logic gates. This is an exercise for you. Thank you.